Hi everyone, this is Nadine with MKM Reviews, and Hero sent me a gift over here, this neck wallet for traveling, and I did choose this color. I just think it's absolutely adorable. Let's open it up and take a look inside. This is perfect for traveling and leaving all your papers that you need right in there, and phone, everything fits in there. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Hero is a United States-based company. Products are produced in the USA, and let's take a look inside. So it's a pretty good size here. Oh, okay, good. Where is the scissors here so we can open it up? So, well, that's such a pretty color. I really do like it. So you have here the passport, phone, money, everything holder, and then you have here the strap that goes around your neck. You can move it up and down depending on how long you want it. It is adjustable. It is very comfortable. It seems very soft and comfortable. So there's attached right here. You can put your phone right here, and it should fit up to the iPhone 14 Max Pro, which is the phone I have. Without a bulky case for it. Also, I don't have a bulky case for it. You can fit your passport, all your cards, money, anything that you would normally need papers to put aside, your tickets in here. It fits everything that you need to put in here. There's an open pocket back here also that closes with Velcro. I really do like this case. I think it's absolutely adorable and such a safe way to carry your stuff when traveling in the airports and such. I love this thing.